Bank of America Secured Card Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. This secured card offering from Bank of America is designed for individuals with limited or no credit history, or those looking to rebuild their credit. Key features include a credit limit secured by a cash deposit, ranging from $200 to $5,000, which acts as collateral. This deposit is held in an account and does not earn interest. Bank of America reports your payment activity to all three major credit bureaus, making it a viable tool for credit building. Notably, this card offers access to Bank of America's suite of online and mobile banking tools for convenient account management. A primary strength is its accessibility, requiring a relatively low minimum security deposit to establish a credit line. Further, it's a product from a reputable financial institution, providing a sense of security. Another advantage stems from the potential for unsecured card conversion. Bank of America periodically reviews secured card accounts and may offer to convert them to unsecured cards if responsible credit behavior is demonstrated, allowing you to reclaim your security deposit while maintaining your credit history. Now for the weaknesses. This card has a variable APR, which can be high, especially when compared to some unsecured options. There is no rewards program, meaning you won't earn cash back, points, or miles on your purchases. This is a significant disadvantage compared to other secured cards that offer limited rewards. The lack of interest earned on the security deposit is another drawback. While not a deal breaker for many, it represents a missed opportunity to generate some return on your capital. Finally, while Bank of America periodically reviews accounts for potential conversion to unsecured cards, this is not guaranteed, and the timeframe for review is not transparent. This card is best suited for individuals seeking a straightforward, no-frills secured card from a well-established bank. It's a good option if you value convenience and familiarity with Bank of America's services. However, if earning rewards or maximizing the return on your deposit is a priority, you should explore alternative secured card options. Consider comparing this card's APR to other secured and even some subprime unsecured cards. Ultimately, the Bank of America secured card provides a pathway to credit building, but its value proposition hinges on your individual needs and priorities, particularly given the absence of rewards and interest on the deposit. Weigh these factors carefully to make an informed decision.